ChargeMax is a multifunctional, convenient mobile disinfection and charging cabinet. The multi-purpose cabinet is designed with safety in mind and is easy to operate. The UV disinfection system inside the cabinet removes 99% of germs and bacteria within 5 minutes from the device's outer surface while the device is being securely charged. Ultraviolet light destroys the germs and viruses' DNA by preventing it from reproducing and replicating. Unlike chemical disinfectants, UVC light is clean and cost-effective and has no negative effects. The Philips brand UVC disinfection lamps last for 2,500 hours and can be used for up to 30,000 rounds of disinfection. Various objects can be disinfected inside the cabinet, including Chromebooks, laptops, iPads, smartphones, keyboards, radios, office supplies, tools and equipment, and more. ChargeMax is widely used in various industries and applications and comes in 2 models and different capacities for disinfecting and charging 10 to 65 devices. The BU series is designed to accommodate iPads and tablets with USB charging ports, while the BP series are more extensive and suitable for laptops and Chromebooks with AC outlet plugs. A digital timer controls the charging and disinfection operation in ChargeMax. The front door is transparent acrylic, which effectively filters the ultraviolet light, preventing harm to the human body. When the front door is opened, the UV light will go off automatically. The plastic separators can easily be removed as needed to open more space on the shelves for larger objects. The temperature inside the cabinet is controlled automatically by fans. 4 sturdy wheels with brakes on the front wheels make it easy to move the cabinet and park the ChargeMax.